Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Tailwind CSS for fast UI styling and component patterns, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Tailwind CSS, first, ensure you have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. Begin by creating a new project folder. Open your terminal and navigate to this folder. Next, initialize a new node.js project using the command npm init. This will create a package.json file in your project folder. Now, install Tailwind CSS using npm by running npm install tailwinds. Once installed, create a Tailwind configuration file with npx tailwinds in it. This will generate a tailwind.config.js file. Next, create a CSS file, for example, styles.css, in your project folder. Open styles.css and add the following lines to import Tailwind's base, components, and utilities. CSS at Tailwind base, at Tailwind components, at Tailwind utilities. After that, configure Tailwind to remove any unused styles for production. In your tailwind.config.js file, locate the purge section and set it up to scan your HTML and JavaScript files. Next, create an HTML file, for example, index.html. Open index.html and link your CSS file in the head section. You can start building your UI by utilizing Tailwind's utility classes. A good way to familiarize yourself with utility classes is to visit the Tailwind CSS documentation. Try creating a simple button using the class BG Blue 500 text white font bold PY2PX4 rounded. You can also implement responsive design by adding classes like MDE-BG Red 500 for medium screens and above. Play with different components, like cards or modals, using Tailwind's styling capabilities. Consider using Tailwind's official UI component libraries for ready-made components. You can find these resources on the Tailwind CSS website to speed up your development. As you build, remember to consistently test your design in various screen sizes. Use your browser's developer tools to check how your layout responds to different resolutions. Once satisfied with your design, you can optimize your CSS for production. Run the build command to generate the final CSS file by using npx tailwinds build styles.csso output.css. Finally, open your index.html file in a browser and see the results of your work. Experiment further by customizing your Tailwind configuration for colors, spacing, and more. This will help you create a unique and tailored design that suits your project needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.